Leveraging its fully self-developed core algorithms and control platform, and through deep understanding of end-user needs in welding, ROKAE R&D and product teams spent 2 years developing a graphical arc welding software package that differs from traditional programming logic. This package boasts clear logic and a simple interface. Guided programming enables operators to get started within 2 hours and become proficient within a day. To meet the demands of various welding scenarios, advanced arc welding functions have been developed, such as arc seam tracking, external axis synchronization, multi-layer multi-pass, real-time line laser tracking, and vision-based 3D teaching-free welding. Looking forward, ROKAE Robotics will deepen its commitment to integrated innovation in robotics plus AI, focusing on R&D, production, and large-scale deployment of industrial robots, flexible collaborative robots, humanoid robots, and other embodied intelligence products. Relying on its fully self-developed core technology, it aims to build a globally leading ecosystem of robotic products and applications.